You guys know we do a lot of spray painting, and with that we've accumulated a lot of empty cans. And so it is time once again for the can opening, because we like to collect our marbles and we have some fun getting them out of those cans. And I thought I would try to make it interesting this time. And we're going to be doing sort of a Gallagher meets Bob Ross, and we're going to be opening our cans, making some art. It's going to be fun. I don't know, it could be a failure, but we're gonna just have some fun. We're gonna see how many cool marbles we can get out of our empty spray cans. Check this out. We have a lot of empty cans, but even though they're empty, there's usually a little bit of paint left in them. So we might be able to get some on our canvas back here. Let's see what it comes out to be. Okay, that just got me.
Do it closer to it.
Yeah, right here.
Jordan, go over there, Maverick.
Nothing yet. This is just white. I don't think we need white.
You just dumped that all over you.
That's why I'm wearing old clothes. Primer. Well, this one's not opening. This one's empty.
Sling the paint and then get the marble.
I don't want the marble to fly out and lose it, that's all. That's empty anyway. A lot of these are just dry inside. Got another blue one. Oh yeah!
There we go.
I lost the marble. There it is. What we got here? That one had a little bit of pressure in it. Oh! Lost it at the bottom corner.
Maybe you need to change the angle of the can.
That's clear. Clear's boring.
Oh,
What's wrong with this? There it is.
yeah.
Oh, I lost some. Oh, I got it. I didn't even know I got it on there.
Yeah.
The black one. Oh!
That's cool.
Oh, this one feels like there's some paint in it.
Leave it out. We can open it and what color is it?
Gray. Let me see if it sprays.
Leave that out. Perfect. All the drips go the same way.
Empty. Dry. Okay, there's no rattle in this one.
Why? There should be.
It's probably stuck. Oh, sludgy. Whoa! That was a clean one. Look at that pop.
Wow. How is there nothing in there?
I'm ruining it. Can I get that glob off?
Yeah. Are you sure it won't smear?
Empty. I'm not going to do that one. You want black on it? Good? Tough.
Try to get some color in the left corner.
Boom. I think this is the last can. Already, that whole pile. Well guys, I think we just finished that just in time. It's starting to sprinkle. I got some paint sprinkles on myself. At least I kept my hands mostly clean. So the paint, most of the cans, they were just bone dry, like super dry. And we didn't get a lot of good sprays, a lot of good explosions, but we did get some. And I was able to shake out some, you saw that. And here is the final work of art. Ready? It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. It's not that bad.
Wish it had some pink in it.
Yeah, we need some more color.
I've always saved that, and when we have another batch, we'll add to it.
Yeah. So what do you guys think? Is it a work of art? Maybe this will be a work in progress, a living art piece that when we get more cans, we'll just keep adding to it. We got some chunks in there, which wasn't so chunky, but I guess that gives texture, right? Are you guys ready to see the marbles that we collected today? There we are. Looks like 6 blue ones. The rest are clear. Yeah. So there we are. Another new batch of marbles to add to the collection. And our paint tote is empty, ready for more spray paint jobs. And you know, we've been having fun with the spray paint. I'm looking forward to doing more art, spray paint art. So I guess I'll go inside, get all this paint off me, I protected my face. I don't know if you guys knew, but I had my respirator on, so I wouldn't get sprayed in the eyes. And otherwise, I don't mind getting a little messy. I don't mind a little paint on my clothes. Well guys, we're gonna wrap it up. Since we're showing you some art, I thought I'd show you some other colorful things. Look at this. I know this looks a little bit sad, but this is the first piece of decorative corn that came out of our son's corn patch. He wanted some of this year. It dried a little weird. We actually picked this one because the ants were getting to it and they were eating up all the kernels and they were ruining it. So we picked it and I've been letting it dry out in a safe spot, so it's starting to get pretty dry and hard. And there it is, some more art. They keep it in our covered clothesline. Guys, did you watch this project? This is Evie's favorite thing that we've built on the property. She can hang laundry out anytime and not worry about rain. It's been so handy. We could also dry corn up in the ceiling. I think that's all. Like I said, I'm gonna go get cleaned up. I'm feeling a little bit sticky. Hopefully we get some more colors to add to that later, and we'll continue our art project in the future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.